Welcome. Today we are going to dive into one of the most fundamental concepts in statistics, standard deviation. Often, people memorize the formula without understanding what it actually means. In this lesson, we will focus on interpreting it simply as the typical distance from the mean. So, what is it exactly? Put simply, standard deviation measures the spread of your data. Think of it as the average distance that each data point is away from the center, or the mean. If you look at the diagram, the blue dots are data points, and the red lines represent how far each point is from the center. Standard deviation summarizes all those little distances into one single number. In textbooks and formulas, you will see two main symbols. The lowercase letter, say, stands for the standard deviation of a sample, which is just a small portion of data. The Greek letter sigma stands for the population's standard deviation, which includes everyone or everything you are studying. We will mostly talk about SE today, but the concept is the same for both. Let's visualize what the number tells us. When you calculate a small standard deviation, it means your data is consistent. Notice how the green curve is tall and narrow. That is because most of the values are huddled close to the mean line in the center. There is very little variation here. On the other hand, a large standard deviation means high variation. Look at this orange curve. It is much flatter and wider. The data points are spread out far to the left and right. This tells us the data is not consistent. It is all over the place. Here is a direct comparison. The green shape represents a low standard deviation of 5. The orange shape represents a high standard deviation of 20. Both have the exact same average value of 50, but the experience of that average is very different. The green one is predictable, the orange one is volatile. Let's apply this to test scores. Imagine two classes both have an average score of 80. In Class A, the standard deviation is 3. This means almost everyone got an 80, a 79, or an 81. In Class B, the standard deviation is 15. The average is still 80, but you have students failing with 50s and others acing with 100s. The average is the same, but the spread tells the real story. Why do we care about this distance? Because of the empirical rule. For normal distributions, about 68% of all data falls within just one standard deviation of the mean. This gives us a powerful way to predict what is normal or typical for any given dataset. To wrap up, remember these three things. 1. Standard deviation is just a measure of typical distance from the center. 2. A small number means consistent, narrow data. And 3, a large number means varied, spread-out data. Understanding this spread is often more important than just knowing the average.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.